Team, let's address Mr. Grayson's post-op complications. He's developed atrial fibrillation with a heart rate of 130, but his blood pressure remains stable at 110/70ths. However, his oxygen saturation dropped to 88% overnight, likely due to pleural effusion, though his chest X-ray shows no pneumothorax. We've started him on IV amiodarone and supplemental oxygen. Any concerns?
Could the effusion be masking a pulmonary embolism? His D-dimer was borderline elevated yesterday.
Unlikely. His Wells score is low, and he's on prophylactic heparin. Focus on diuresis for the effusion. The bigger issue is his rising creatinine, 1.9 today, up from 1.4. Hold his metformin and monitor for contrast-induced nephropathy post-angiogram.
Understood, MIHIRAA. Should we delay his CT given the renal risk?
No, the angiogram's priority. But hydrate aggressively post-procedure. Oh, and his potassium's 5.6, so withhold his ACE inhibitor.
Making a few positive adjustments to your daily routine can make a world of difference. To help bring your blood pressure readings back down, we can start with a simple three-part approach. First, we will focus on lowering your daily sodium intake by gradually cutting back on processed foods and dining out, replacing them with whole, fresh meals flavored with herbs and spices instead of salt. Next, incorporating regular aerobic exercise, like enjoying a daily 30-minute brisk walk, swimming, or cycling, will help strengthen your heart and improve your circulation. Alongside these habits, managing your weight naturally becomes much easier, which significantly reduces the physical strain on your blood vessels. To support you every step of the way, I would love to provide you with some easy-to-read educational materials, including a daily home blood pressure logging sheet and clear self-monitoring protocols, so you feel fully confident and empowered tracking your progress at home.